Well, now we'll prepare trial balance by second method, that is considering net balances of ledger account. Students, the first method by which we had prepared trial balance was considering total balances of ledger accounts. But the second method is considering the net balances of ledger account. Well, in chapter of ledger, the last part which we did was balancing a ledger account. If the total of debit side of a ledger account is higher, it is known as debit balance. As a technique, if the balance is on credit side, it is known as debit balance. If the total of credit side of a ledger account is higher, it is known as credit balance. As a technique, if the balance is on debit side, it is a credit balance. So in second method, here we have to consider this net balances and we prepare trial balance. Like say, cash account is having a debit balance of 1,80,000. Capital account is having a credit balance of 1 lakh. Mr. A, credit balance of 30,000. Sales account, credit balance of 1,50,000. Purchase account, debit balance of 80,000. Salary, debit balance of 10,000, and advertisement, again debit balance of 10,000. So guys, considering this net balances, we will prepare a trial balance. The first I have written cash account. Cash account, as I told, debit balance of 1,80,000. So on debit side, we'll write 1,80,000. Capital is having a credit balance of 1 lakh. So on credit side, I will write 1 lakh. Similarly, Mr. A, credit side 30,000. Sales account is having a credit balance of 1,50,000. Purchase account, debit balance of 80,000. Salary, debit 10,000. Accordingly, advertisement 10,000 debit balance. Now, if you take the grand total, debit total is 2,80,000. Credit total is 2,80,000. So, our trial balance matches, guys. So, this is the second method. Here, guys, we have considered the net balances. After closing the ledger accounts, we have considered the net balances and we have prepared the trial balance. So, this is the second method, which is known as net balance method, and the first method was total balance method. So guys, trial balance can be prepared by these two separate methods.